Hello again, it is I, the affordable tutor, Jeremy Knowles, and today we are going to be looking at multiplying with decimals. Okay, so the most important thing to remember when multiplying with decimals is making sure you put the decimal point in the right place, and it's simply a matter of counting the spaces. Okay, so we've got two problems here. I went ahead for simplicity's sake and did all of the work. All we have left to do now is put the decimals in place. So you'll notice that when you multiply using decimals, multiplication is still done the exact same way. You still line up the numbers the exact same way. None of that changes. It's just one additional step. Where do we put the decimal point? Okay. So if we look at the first problem on the left, there is only one of our numbers that has decimals. Okay. So if I start with the decimal and count to the right, I can see that there is one decimal space. Okay. So then when I have my answer, I'm going to start all the way to the right, and I'm going to move the decimal over for every space that I had in the actual problem, in which case this was 1. So I start at the end and I go to the left this time. I'm going to go one space, which means my decimal goes here. So 13.5 would be my answer. And if you look at the second problem, so this one's going to be a little bit longer. If I count all my decimal spaces after I've done my multiplication and added, I'm going to see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal spaces. So I'm going to start all the way at the end of my answer, and I'm going to move it to the left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer in this case is 2.98875. And that is all there is to it. So key takeaways: do your multiplication the same way as you always do. Make sure you count the correct number of decimal spaces, okay? If you don't, you put decimal in the wrong place, you will have the incorrect answer. As always, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. I offer tutoring sessions for $20 an hour. You can direct message me if you want to set that up. Remember, school is not easy for everyone, but everyone does deserve a chance to succeed. Be kind to yourself and to each other. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.